Hi guys, Dave with Airspool here. Todd is filming, and yes, we talked about these a few weeks back. These are the first ever solar hybrid window unit, 12,000 BTU, cooling only. They don't do heating, but they're probably about 60% of the cost of our mini split unit. So for a lot of people, it's going to be a good fit, right? Simple. All you do is plug solar panels into this. It'll run all day as long as it's sunny. When it's not sunny, plugged in the grid, 120 volt normal power, and the solar will always be prioritized. So you can either run it only on solar, only on the grid, or a combination of both where solar is prioritized. So anyway, we already talked about all that, but we did not talk about this 1970s style tablecloth that comes in here. This is the only addition to the unit that was not talked about before. And all these are, once you get your accordion, if you have some extra space between your window, the side of your window and the unit, pull this out. And this is pretty simple. You just, theoretically, just peel this back, sticky 3M back off of here, and stick it on. We promise you don't need any other tool. In this case, you may need another tool. This is perforated in the middle, but if indeed you don't pull this out all the way, you might need a scissors to cut it. So just measure it, cut it, and arguably it's better looking than the accordion, but maybe if you put your miniature Farrah Fawcett poster over here or something like that, it could look better than just the way it is. And this smudge is really easy, so you might want to put some cover over it anyway. But other than that, it's everything we already talked about. Check out airspool.com, shop.airspool.com to get one of these. And if you like what you saw here, maybe give us a comment or a thumbs up, and or subscribe to the Airspool channel, which is appropriately enough called Airspool on YouTube. Thanks for your time.